Hello and welcome back. This is lesson 4 of our beginner English series. Today we'll learn some classroom vocabulary. We will speak slowly and repeat together. Let's quickly review numbers from 1 to 10 and greetings. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Greetings. Hello. Hi. Bye. Great. Now let's begin our new lesson. Today we learn classroom words. Chair, table, book, pen, bag, desk, teacher, and student. This is a chair. Repeat after me. Chair, chair. Let's spell C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Now your turn. Chair. This is a table. Repeat after me. Table, table. Let's spell T-A-B-L-E. Table. Now your turn. Table. This is a book. Repeat after me. Book, book. Let's spell B-O-O-K. Book. Now your turn. Book. This is a pen. Repeat after me. Pen, pen. Let's spell P-E-N. Pen. Now your turn. Pen. This is a desk. Repeat after me. Desk, desk. Let's spell D-E-S-K. Desk. Now your turn. Desk. This is a teacher. Repeat after me. Teacher, teacher. Let's spell T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Now your turn. Teacher. This is a student. Repeat after me. Student, student. Let's spell S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Let's review all the words together. Chair, table, book, pen, bag, desk, teacher, student. You're doing well. Let's continue. Look at this picture. What is it? Yes, it's a chair. Let's try the next one. What is it? Yes, it's a bag. What is it? That's right. It's a pen. What is this? Good. It's a desk. What is it? That's right. It's a book. What is it? Well done. It's a student. What is it? Yes, it's a table. What is this? Write this word in the comments. Let's say all words together one more time. Chair, table, book, pen, bag, desk, teacher, student. Excellent job. Practice these words daily. Lesson 5 will be about colors in English. See you in the next lesson. Bye.